Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Yeah, so many things going on in the background. So what I just do is check through the news and whatever is important, I'll just sieve them out and give it to us so we can listen. Alright, do make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and so you can keep getting updates and news. Okay. So so many things going on in crypto space. Bitcoin crashed and all, but going through the news, Elon Musk's latest tweet attempt to pump Dogecoin fails miserably. All right, just in case you've not been around and you don't know what's happening in the market, Elon Musk have been playing with the crypto space, pumping and dumping Bitcoin whenever he likes, and most especially Doge. And recently he got into Shiba Inu or Shibu Inu, and that's one thing about trying to do stupid stuff for too long, right? You will tend to lose value, right? And he's gradually losing value and influence over the space as he tried to pump the market again by posting this rubbish. But the market didn't really move. The market rate didn't really move, as you can see. This was happening in the first tweet and then the second tweet, but he's gradually losing relevance in the space, and it's a good thing for us and for me. All right, so in some more news, $30 billion are now staked as Alonso smart contract excitement builds up. Okay, let me say something. Just in case you're not aware, Cardano, it's a project that did their ICO in 2016, about 4, and they've been trying to launch for a long time. So I'm going to read this. Cardano launched its first Alonso smart contract testnet on May 27. On June 11th, IOHK, which stands for Input Output Hong Kong, confirmed that Alonso is now able to deploy smart contract. This is big news for Cardano, right? Before now, I've been very skeptical when it comes to trading Cardano, because I've just been concerned that they raised money some years ago, and it's taking them a pretty long time to have a stable platform where people can build smart contracts. And recently I've been able to understand why it took a while, because we also have a project Hagulex, and we're supposed to have some upgrade, and it took a while, and I'm like, oh, so this is how it takes good things to happen, right? So that is the Cardano news, and now it's not according to the news, confirmed that Alonso is now able to deploy smart contracts. So this is the first time it is happening, and this is a confirmation that Cardano has the capacity, right, to hit $10 per coin. Yep, Cardano can hit $10 per coin. Now, of course, that is not the financial advice. If you're buying Cardano, please use money that you're willing to lose. This news came out on the 1st of July, right? So it's some more news about Engine, right? Sorry, I was trying to check my trade. That's live of a trader. Okay, Engine's EFI token sale nets $20 million as NFT aspirations grow. Now, Engine is a token, and of course a gaming token. I hope this is the same Engine, not another one. They did a token sale, and I'm not concerned about the token sale. I'm just concerned that we have a news about Engine. They've been around for a while. Just in case you knew, this is one of those OG cryptocurrency. So in some more weird news about Oneinch. Oneinch to launch dollar. I need to close my Telegram so I don't keep getting notifications. Oneinch to launch dollar pegged stablecoin with Oneinch. The new Oneinch stablecoin will be collateralized by a combination of USDC and Oneinch native token. Right. I'm not going to read through all the news, but this just since the Oneinch token. Okay, let me just read this other part. Launched in May, Oneinch DMA allows projects to create and govern their own collateralized stablecoins. That is nice. in this case, with one each native inch token and USDT, which can be minted and redeemed for a set value of $1, the non-profit arm of one each, the one each foundation and one each will each contribute $100,000 in tokens as collateral for the stable coins, allowing for the one each tokens to be minted using 80% of USDT and 20% of one each. So this is going to create a massive use case for one each, and of course cause the price to move upward. Sorry. US State Department urges El Salvador to be responsible about Bitcoin adoption. In other words, they're trying to say that the adoption of Bitcoin by El Salvador is irresponsible. Well, I find such talks really awkward and weird, because the only reason why they're making statements like this is because Bitcoin is a threat to the current financial system, and the current financial system is owned and ruled by the government, right? And whoever controls the money controls the people. And if they don't have control over the money anymore, that means they don't have control over the people. So it reads, Victoria Nuland Azir. Oh, okay, that is a quote, not in English, but that is in news, but it doesn't make sense to me. All right, so JP Morgan reports ETH2 could kickstart 40 billion staking industry by 2025. Just like Cardano, Ethereum 2.0 they've been working on Ethereum 2.0 for years, and it's taking a whole lot of time to build. And by the time that is completed, right, JP Morgan is predicting that Ethereum 2.0 could have staking worth $40 billion. And I wonder what the value of one Ethereum is going to be by the time this happens by 2025. Just in case you're not aware, JP Morgan was one of the biggest critics of cryptocurrency in general, but right now is one pushing the whole thing. Okay, we'll go to some other news from CoinDex. I'm going to close this, sorry. France tests CBDC flows with Singapore using automated liquidity pool. If you're not new to this channel, this is something we've been talking about for a long time, right? So the governments around the world, they've been saying how cryptocurrency have been making sales, how cryptocurrency have been making sense, right? And people are using cryptocurrency, and the market capitalization of cryptocurrency is increasing by the day, and they want to get left behind, and governments around the world are moving to create their own cryptocurrency called CBDC. So every paper money in the world right now will be translated into CBDC, otherwise known as central bank digital currency. That is just the news. Nothing special about the news. Right. So in some other news, Argentina lawmaker proposes bill for businesses to pay employees in crypto. They're trying to make it legal, right? But for now, there are a lot of employees around the world that are getting paid in crypto already. Everyone I don't want to say that. Yeah, so getting paid in crypto, but this is good news for crypto in the long run. And yep, that's it. Bitcoin privacy wallet Wasabi. Wasabi is one of the oldest wallets I know. Hope I'm correct. Hope it's the same Wasabi, right? Bitcoin privacy wallet Wasabi lays out roadmap for version 2.0. So you want a Bitcoin wallet that gives you full privacy, right? You can go ahead and use Wasabi wallet. Let's see if I can read some of the features of 2.0. Wasabi Wallet 2.0 has no defined launch date. However, the company has committed to and published 3 milestones. Number 1, Wasabi Wallet 2.0 preview will contain only the most fundamental features, and will be used only on Bitcoin testnet. This will be released in around 6 to 14 weeks. Wasabi Wallet 2.0 release candidate will include all features and will be available for the public testing and blah 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 blah. Wasabi Wallet didn't really state anything in this article what the 2.0 will be doing. Alright, so maybe when I find the exact saying the 2.0 will be doing, I'll be, of course, I'll share that with us. Goldman Sachs sees more potential in Ethereum than Bitcoin. He's not the only one in this boat. I see more potential in Ethereum than Bitcoin because Bitcoin has very, little use case. You can only, the only thing Bitcoin is used for is sending and receiving, right? So he said Ether could overtake Bitcoin as dominant store of value, says Goldman Sachs, and I quite agree because everything Bitcoin can do, almost everything Bitcoin can do, Ethereum can do, and even do much more. So I see, more people keeping, having more Ethereum than Bitcoin, and Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin in market capitalization. That is really, really possible, most especially when Ethereum 2.0 is launched. And when rich people around the world make statements like this, just know they have invested into Ethereum. So I strongly believe that Goldman Sachs have invested into Ethereum already. So in our last news for this session, UFC partners with Crypto.com. Sources say $175 million deal is MMA firm's largest sponsorship. Right, this is good news for crypto as a whole, and it brings about more adoption for crypto. And we want to see more crypto companies, right? Partner or sponsor non-crypto events, because that is one of the ways to get people to be aware of what's happening in the crypto space. All right, guys. By the end of each week, I'll be giving out $100 worth of HaggleX token. Right now, this is the last time we did a video about HaggleX. HaggleX was about $1, and sorry, it was about $4, and the price has dropped by 74%. So every week, I'm not gonna subscribe to this. Okay, I can. Every week we'll be giving out $100 worth of HaggleX token to our subscribers, and yep. And if you want to buy HaggleX, you should buy HaggleX for long term, because I know HaggleX is going to hit $1,000 per coin. When this is going to happen is what we don't know, but it's definitely going to happen. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.